Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I have this. This is the Smart Pager Alarm System. So this is one here that should be able to be good for like a, so somebody who's a little elderly at their home or nursing home kind of thing or something like that. So it looks like we have two of the devices that you wear. We have the station and we have a connection cable. It looks like it's going to connect through that micro USB to micro USB. So this is what it looks like here. This says the SOS system. And let's see, what is this here? Does it need batteries or anything? Doesn't say anything. So let's see, it says set. So we have to use the Smart Life app, which is okay since I happen to have that Smart Life app already on my iPad. So let's see if we try to add it, what we do. Let's see, it says the set button. I guess we're going to have to plug it in somehow. Let me plug this in and we will get going. So here on the side, I see there's the little port for it. So we will put it there. And see, it lights up. And I will go on my Smart Life app and I will add it. So I can add a device. And then I will push set, I think. Let's see if it finds it. It says searching for nearby devices. Might need to use the instructions to get beyond this point. Let me see. We have a manual inside here too. So let's see how we do this. Okay, I have to hold this for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just saw it flash. And now I see the device. Pushing it for 1 second was let me pair it with these devices. So let's see. So I add it. So now it wants to connect to my network. Hopefully you guys can't see all that. Okay, now it says the device is being added. Hopefully it's going to connect. I'm actually just using a hotspot here on my phone to connect everything here. I'm in a place without Wi-Fi. So I'm not sure if it's actually going to work. But I'll show you what we get in here anyways. So we have two of the devices here, and what these are the things that you can kind of wear. And so you wear this, and once it's paired to this here, what you'll do is if you need to call for the nurse or call for your child or whatever it is, you can push the button on here, and here it goes, it rings. And I don't know how to turn it off. There, pushing the button. So that will, do it. So that's kind of how you can do this. So if you have this in your kitchen, say, and you're with your elderly parent or somebody who's just sick in bed or something like that, and they need to call you easily, they can wear this, go wherever. If they fall down, I've fallen and I can't get up, right there, push the button and they can say it to you. So how cool is that? Nice little device. Yeah, my thing just says it doesn't connect because it's doing this cellular thing. It just doesn't connect on cellular, I'm going to assume. But look how cool this is. So this is a nice little device like this. Let me just see what else it will do here, just see what other features there are. And unfortunately, I can't add it to Smart Life at the moment, but let's just see what we've got here. So it's going to work right out of the box to do it that way. But I think with the Smart Life app, what we'll be able to do is if you have the app on your phone, so even if you're not with the person that needs the help, it should be able to alert you as well. So let's see. And there can be, it looks like there's different notification settings, so you can set it to notify you when there is, so when somebody pushes the button. You can also, let's see, you can remove an alarm. You can have it shared with multiple people. So in the Smart Life app, you'll be able to go and add multiple people in there. You can set the ringtone so it will ring differently depending on different settings that you'd like, different volumes, brightness. You can, this is unbinding it, and then setting up the receiver, basically explaining how you can just put this pretty much anywhere. Like the way it'll hang up is you'll mount this to the wall, and then that'll slide right on it, and so it can be anywhere. So it's a very nice little device, nice and small and easy. I wish it would connect so I could show you guys some of the app settings. Unfortunately, I'm not able to, but let me see if there's something I can show you here in the book that will explain it. Yeah, just there's, you'll have in the app, you'll be able to go into the device. Like on my app, I have several devices. I use like a smart feeder, I have door locks and things like that. So this kind of gives you the ability to add multiple. It's a generic app that works with lots of different things. So that's why they integrated with that. So it's very cool, and it's definitely good to have. So if you have somebody that might need the help,